Welcome to How-FixIT. In this video I will show you how to replace the screen on iPhone 11 Pro. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 11 Pro. Screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cap for removing display, tweezers, plastic opening tool, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video you will find links where to buy all these tools and replacement parts for iPhone 11 Pro. Turn off the iPhone, then near the charging port, remove two screws with a 0.8mm pentalobe screwdriver. Next, take a heater and heat up the display surface. The required heating temperature is 60 or 70 degrees Celsius. The maximum is 80 degrees. Fix the section cap on the bottom of the display, then take a thin plastic mediator, pull the section cap ring up and begin to disconnect the display from the iPhone case. Open the iPhone 11 Pro by turning the display to the right side like a book. Hold the display or place something behind the display. Then remove two screws on the small panel and 6 screws on the large panel. First, disconnect the battery cable, after 3 cables from the display. To replace the display on iPhone 11 Pro, you need to remove the cable with ear speaker and sensors. First, unscrew 3 screws on the ear speaker. The cable with sensors glued to the display. To carefully peel it off, take a hairdryer and warm the surface of the cable. Now carefully peel off the cable from the display. Now, very important stage. It is necessary to remove the light sensor, and it must be done very carefully, because the sensor belongs to the part of biometric function, and if it is damaged, the Face ID system will stop working. In order to minimize risk, warm the surface with a hairdryer again. So cable removed, and you can begin to install the new display model. In the description under the video I left link where to buy a new display for iPhone 11 Pro. Let's begin reassembly with installation the cable with sensors. Turn the speaker over and fasten 3 screws. That's it, the display module assembled. Now you can connect it and check how new screen works on iPhone 11 Pro. To test the iPhone 11 Pro, just connect 3 cables from the display and after battery cable. Turn the display over and turn on the iPhone. Check how the iPhone works with new screen. Also check the Face ID and proximity sensors, as well as the ear speaker. Also, after replacing the display, the True Tone function will not work. How to restore True Tone? Watch in another video, the link in the description or at the end of this video. If everything works fine, you can begin to the final assembly with a restore of water protection against water and dust. Remove the silicone tape from the case of iPhone. Now you can wipe the case with isopropyl alcohol. This is not necessary, but it certainly will not be superfluous. Take adhesive waterproof tape, but before stick it on the iPhone case, make sure to glue it with the right position on the case. The silicone adhesive tape restores protection against water and dust, but it doesn't provide 100% protection for your smartphone from water. Press the sticker to the case so it will stick better. If you don't have such a sticker, in the description under the video you will find link where to buy it. Now let's connect the display module. First, connect 3 cables of the display to the mainboard and only then connect the battery cable. Install the panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the iPhone case. It remains fastened to screws near the lighting port and you can turn on your smartphone. So I hope this video was useful for you and I helped restore your iPhone 11 Pro. See you soon on How-FixIT.